Hi guys, I am back with a gel polish mani. So, Nail Addict was kind enough to send me over some gel polishes. Yay, Christmas. This is from the December to Remember collection, and it has and this is 8 out of the 10 colors. It's giving me retro on one side and traditional Christmas on the other. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish mani. But before I go, of course, I have on my builder gel, and I have on 1 coat of Holo Taco Pilly base for easy removal, and then I applied 1 coat of Nail Addict base and cured. So the colors that I'm going to be using are Scarlet Red and Ice Skating. These colors are just so pretty. You guys know I love Nail Addict gel polishes. So they're highly pigmented, and they go on nice and smooth in my opinion. Again, I'm not a professional, but this is just based on me using these products at home. So guys, yeah, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish mani. See guys, look how easy that went on. It's just nice. Now I was tripping with my application. So if you happen to get gel polish and flooded your cuticle area on your side walls, you want to just take a nail brush with some alcohol and clean that up before curing. All Nail Addict gel polishes are a 30-second cure in a LED lamp. So y'all, I accidentally scraped the doggone cleanup brush on my index finger and missing a whole bottom part of my nail. So I'm just going in and filling that in. I don't know how I did that, but it happened because y'all see it and I see it. But anyway, so after you cure for 30 seconds, you want to go in with a second coat. And usually with Nail Addict gel polishes, they're nicely pigmented. 2 thin coats will get the job done. Like I could have got away with 1 coat with the my ring finger, my middle finger with the color Ice Skating, but I just again went in with a second coat of each color. So after I cured the second coat for 30 seconds, I went in and applied Nail Addict, the No White top coat, and cured. So these colors by themselves are very pretty. Look at that red. It is gorgeous to me. But you guys know I don't like plain nails. I just can't be plain. It is what it is. So of course I'm going in with my Nail Drip Custom Water decals. I was a little disappointed with these decals because some of them had a yellow ink coloring on them. So these are minis, what the site calls minis, and they're $3. So I wasn't too pressed about it because I still had the two that I could use on there. And so I'm cutting those out, and you guys know I always spray my water decals with water, and I always apply them with a stamper. Now usually I will wait for maybe 30 to 60 seconds to give that water time to soak in and release the decal from the paper back. And so while I'm doing that, I am going in with my Maniology sticky base coat. And again, I already top coated these nails, so I'm going in with my Maniology sticky base coat, and I will give that about maybe 30 seconds to dry and get tacky so that the decals have something to adhere to. So once I do that, I go in with a lint-free wipe, remove excess water, and I just pick those babies up with my nail stamper and press those onto the decal. Now, usually people will tell you with a decal to use a white color. I did not want to use a white color. I wanted to use those gel polishes, and I think that color Ice Skating beneath or behind these decals was perfect. I absolutely love this this set of nails. I was kind of mad I used peel off base coat. So I'm just smoothing the decal out as much as possible, and then I'm going to go in and remove excess decal that is on my cuticle area and on the free edge and side walls of my nail. And then I'm going to top coat them with the Nail Addict No White top coat and cure for 30 seconds, and then we'll be done. And that those decals, I think it's kind of like mistletoe or holly or something like that, but I thought it was really, really pretty. So after I cured those two nails for 30 seconds, guys, here is the finished look. I thought it was fabulous. I loved it. It's almost like nail drip decals are perfect for Nail Addict gel polishes. But after your nails have cooled off, you want to go in with your favorite cuticle oil and apply that to your cuticle area. And I usually apply it underneath my nails as well and massage that in really well. It's wintertime. You guys need to use cuticle oil to keep your skin hydrated and keep from having hangnails in rough cuticle areas. But anyway, so I hope you guys like the finished look. You have to let me know what you think. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.